The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated APS-C cameras in recent memory. While the original R7 already impressed photographers by balancing speed, reach, and advanced autofocus in a compact body, rumors suggest Canon is preparing an even more ambitious update. At the center of the buzz is a potential 40-megapixel stacked sensor, a development that could fundamentally redefine what APS-C cameras are capable of. This isn't just about higher resolution, it's about improving speed, tracking, rolling shutter, burst performance, and video capabilities all at once. APS-C has long been treated as a smaller alternative to full-frame, but Canon has consistently approached the format differently. The original EOS R7 showed that APS-C can deliver professional-level results, offering a hybrid of resolution, autofocus reliability, and portability that appealed to wildlife shooters, sports photographers, and hybrid creators alike. With a 40MP stacked sensor, the EOS R7 Mark II could elevate this philosophy to an entirely new level, providing faster readout speeds, improved autofocus performance, and increased burst capabilities while maintaining manageable file sizes and processing efficiency. The significance of a stacked sensor cannot be overstated. Traditional sensors process image data line by line, which can introduce latency and rolling shutter artifacts, especially when shooting fast-moving subjects or using an electronic shutter. A stacked sensor, however, has an integrated memory layer, allowing data to be read out much faster. This means that the EOS R7 Mark II could deliver cleaner images during high-speed action, reduce the jello effect in video, and allow for more accurate tracking of unpredictable subjects. For photographers who regularly shoot birds in flight, motorsports, or children at play, these improvements would be immediately noticeable. Autofocus is another area poised for significant advancement. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus system has long been praised for reliability, but moving subjects can still occasionally challenge the system. The faster readout and improved processing of a stacked sensor would allow the EOS R7 Mark II to anticipate motion, locking focus more effectively even when subjects move behind obstacles, change direction suddenly, or overlap with other elements in the frame. For wildlife photographers and sport shooters, this could mean fewer missed moments and sharper results across every frame. In effect, the camera could feel like it has a world-class focus puller built in, giving solo shooters more confidence and consistency. Video capabilities are also set to benefit. APS-C cameras have historically been limited in sustained video performance due to heat and sensor readout limitations. A 40MP stacked sensor would allow the EOS R7 Mark II to handle oversampled 4K with greater efficiency, maintaining image quality while reducing rolling shutter distortion and improving motion clarity. Long-form recording could become more practical, with fewer thermal interruptions or performance slowdowns. While it may not replace a cinema camera, this hybrid-friendly design would make the R7 Mark II a serious contender for vloggers, YouTubers, and content creators who want a single camera for both stills and video without compromise. The EOS R7 Mark II is rumored to maintain the practical ergonomics of the original R7. Compact, weather-sealed, and durable, the body remains ideal for photographers who value portability without sacrificing handling or control. Connectivity improvements, including faster Wi-Fi and enhanced app integration, could streamline workflow for creators shooting in the field. Pair this with Canon's expanding RF lens ecosystem, and the R7 Mark II begins to feel less like an APS-C camera and more like a long-term investment capable of handling a wide range of creative tasks, from wildlife photography to hybrid shooting projects. One of the most compelling aspects of the EOS R7 Mark II is the way it balances performance with practical usability. Instead of focusing purely on a spec sheet, Canon appears to be targeting real-world shooting challenges. Faster sensor readout improves not only frame rates but also autofocus confidence, rolling shutter correction, and burst shooting reliability. Photographers tracking fast subjects, panning across dynamic scenes, or shooting unpredictable wildlife could see a dramatic improvement in the consistency of their results. This is an evolution that prioritizes function over marketing hype, a camera that rewards technique, lenses, and intent. For hybrid shooters, the video improvements are equally meaningful. Oversampled 4K video, improved rolling shutter performance, and better heat management allow for smoother, cleaner results. Extended takes become more practical, even in challenging conditions, and the stacked sensor ensures that motion is rendered more naturally, without artifacts or lag. While the EOS R7 Mark II may not offer 8K video at this stage, the quality gains in 4K alone would make it highly appealing to creators who rely on a single camera for multiple types of content. Canon seems to be aiming for a camera that performs reliably across both stills and video, rather than excelling in one area at the expense of the other. The R7 Mark II could also signal Canon's long-term APS-C strategy. Alongside rumors of the EOS R100V, a beginner-friendly vlogging camera, Canon appears to be catering to multiple tiers of users. The R100V targets solo creators and vloggers with a vari-angle touchscreen, improved ergonomics, and modest video upgrades, remaining affordable while offering practical performance enhancements. Together with the R7 Mark II, these models suggest that Canon is refining the APS-C format across the board, providing options for both high-performance photographers and entry-level content creators within the same ecosystem. Sensor performance will likely be the headline feature of the R7 Mark II. A 40-megapixel stacked sensor promises not only higher resolution but also faster readout speeds and better autofocus reliability. For sports, wildlife, or any action-heavy scene, this could translate into more predictable focus and fewer missed moments. Rolling shutter artifacts could be significantly reduced, making panning or tracking faster subjects far more manageable. Combined with Canon's existing color science, high dynamic range, and image processing, the EOS R7 Mark II has the potential to deliver professional-level results in a compact APS-C package. Another key advantage lies in Canon's design philosophy. The R7 Mark II reportedly retains the original body's balance and handling, which already received praise from photographers. Any incremental improvements, such as connectivity enhancements, app integration, or minor ergonomic tweaks, would further streamline workflow without compromising familiarity. Combined with Canon's RF lenses, the R7 Mark II could serve as a versatile all-in-one system that supports both immediate shooting needs and long-term creative growth. The EOS R7 Mark II could finally demonstrate that APS-C cameras are more than a budget-conscious alternative. By offering a high-resolution stacked sensor, reliable autofocus, hybrid video improvements, and a compact yet ergonomic design, the camera is poised to redefine expectations in this segment. It could make APS-C a deliberate choice for professionals, rather than a compromise due to size or price, offering the right balance of speed, precision, and usability. This philosophy aligns with Canon's strategy of addressing real-world needs, not just chasing marketing headlines. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II represents a thoughtful evolution for APS-C cameras. With its rumored 40-megapixel stacked sensor, enhanced autofocus performance, improved rolling shutter handling, faster readout, and hybrid video capabilities, it could elevate APS-C shooting to a new standard. Canon appears focused on creating a camera that rewards technique, provides reliable results in challenging scenarios, and supports hybrid workflows without compromise. The EOS R7 Mark II may not be for everyone, but for photographers and hybrid shooters who value performance, versatility, and usability, it has the potential to redefine the APS-C experience. This camera could transform APS-C from a practical choice into a deliberate creative tool, one that balances innovation, reliability, and real-world usability in a compact, capable package.